Good morning, students. Today we have seen the practicals of how to insert tables in MS Word. So today I am sending you Zoom meetings recordings, practical recording. Let's see how to use the different options of the table. First, you have to use a Microsoft Word because we have seen the tables of Microsoft Word. Let's open it. You have to click on open, or you can just single click on the apps because all the application is start just it's just open by single click, or you can also use the open command also. Okay, so first of all you have to use the insert option. You have to insert the tables. Now you have to click. So there are four options are available. First option is gridding. You have to select this grid, red lines, yellow lines, grids, and you can see 10 by 8 table is selected. You have to press enter button, and like this you can set the lines, and you can increase the size also. You can adjust the size. Okay, you can select the different table styles, and one by one you can add the fields like this: subject, then marks, total, grade. Okay, whatever that you want to add, you can add one by one. Just giving demo, and after that you can select according to your use. You can create timetables, you can create your own timetable, school's timetable, your daily planning you can set according to your use, etc. So let's put the marks one by one. T, 10, 20, 40, total marks 50, 60, 70. I'm just giving one demo grade, for example, A grade, B grade, C grade, like this. Okay, and you can create your own table, and you can adjust the line size also. Okay, like this you can adjust the lines size. You can see I can even modify these lines according to my use. Okay, that's depend on you how do you want to modify. Even I can use the different paint colors for this. Okay, okay, this is the one method. So second method, and even sorry, if you want to add some shadings, you can add some shading also. Okay, if you want some important subject that you want to highlight, you can highlight that part also. Okay, and then okay, then you can change the borders also, border of the table also. Okay, all borders you can set according to your use. And set your borders where you can fill the borders properly. Okay, now if you want to add some spaces, you want to adjust some spaces, you can add the space in the table also. Okay, if you want to justify it, you can justify it. can adjust the space also in given tables. And if you want to adjust some paragraph adjustment, you can do it. And even you can add the numbers in the tables also like this. Okay, so you add all the numbers like this. Okay, now I want some sortings. Even I can do the sorting also, sorting of all the paragraphs. I selected this column. I can sort the column also. Just I want one column in descending orders. For example, I can sort them like this. Okay, then let's see the different insert operations. Like I want to add some drawing table options. Okay, this is the second option to draw the tables. Just a minute, one option is missing. Insert table we have missed. So once again we will starting, we will start. You can see, you can add the table through the insert option also. We'll say the number of columns and number of rows through the table size. I have a auto feed behavior through which I can set at in manual setting also. I can set the column width, and at the same time through the auto options also I can set the width, and according to the contents of the tables I can set the auto feed behavior. मीन्स auto feed behavior का मतलब होता है उसका जो लाइंस है वो एडजस्ट होता है आपके कंटेंट के हिसाब से, विड्थ के हिसाब से. Okay, so finally I will select the that is remember dimension for the future reference if I want. Okay, you can see we will not take such a higher numbers of rows column. We will just take simple table. For example, 10 by 20. Okay, we will set a auto, and even I can manage the size also. Okay, then so you have to perform all operation I perform in the last table. Then we will go for the draw table. Manually also we can draw the table like this. Okay, if I want some changes, I can do the changes like this. This is a manual drawing of tables. I can draw the tables to the draw table like this. Okay, again insert draw tables in here, table, draw table, and I can draw my own table like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So always remember that there are two types of settings in the computer system. One is a manual setting, and another that is also called as a customization of setting, and second one is the automation of setting. So it's depend on you how you want to make the changes. If I want a manual or customization, I can do manual according to my use, or customization of setting. And if I want some automation, then I will set the automation that I previously did. Excel spreadsheet, I want to convert the tables into Excel spreadsheet. I can convert this table from Excel sheet. I can, as it is, copy paste the tables into the MS Word. So whatever I had typed, the ready-made table I will get. As it is, I can copy the same table into the MS Word. Okay, I will just make some fields, insert some values. You can see and according to my use the shift arrow key, down arrow and shift, combination of shift and arrow keys. Press shift and arrow keys and copy paste it. Okay, so we will make a copy paste. Okay, so likewise you can add a different columns one by one. I will delete this whole part. Just copy paste the previous. Okay. So likewise, what I did, I just copied all the data from the Excel and I'm making a table like this. So like this, I can one by one rows and columns. Once again, I will take a reference from the spreadsheet. So whatever I have data in the Excel, as it is, I can Excel sheet data, I can copy into the words table. Okay. Now two tables I will make. Use the shift arrow keys, copy or cut paste. Just I will make a enter. I just press enter key in the mouse, and you can see whole table is copied as it is. Okay. Again, I want to enter something. I will double click on that. I will go for the next column. Then I will enter some numbers. Then I will copy the whole table again as it is, cut, and just make an enter button, or just press this words table or words document screen, and all the Excel table is copied and pasted onto the words table format. Okay, so this is one thing, and another option, that is quick tables. Here, for example, May. Mostly it is used for the making of some monthly schedules. For example, it is July. Okay, so okay, so I will make some changes according to my planning. I can change the dates. So today is Friday, for example. I will make change first, then second, and today, for example, third. So like this, I can directly take a reference of quick tables, and I can make the dates. I can modify the dates. I can modify the days. I can modify the dates or days according to my use. Okay. So this is the use of quick access tables. Even I can modify this table also. Like this, I can modify my table. Okay. You can set the different borders here also. So wherever control is passed, I can set the borders to everyone. So according to my use, I will move, and I will make a changes in the borders. Okay. And I can change the different pen colors and shadings and pen lines. Let's see. Okay. I can change the lines or borders according to my use. Okay. That's it. Thank you very much. Or even I will set layouts according to my use also. I can change all the cell margins of the table. According to my use, I can change the cell margin, top, bottom, etc. Okay, you can see I have changed the cell margins. Okay, so there is a lot of options. You can change the height, width, etc. According to the size, I can change the width also. Okay, so lots of operations are there. You can use according to your AutoFit operation, automation settings. I have told you in the last session according to window, according to column width, etc. Okay, so here I have to try according to your requirements. Okay, so these all options are you should have to set according to your requirements. Lots of operations. Okay. Even I can change the different page color also. You can see the page colors, page borders. Okay. And set the box, for example. I will set some box to the pages. You can see I have set the margins for the pages also. Okay. Thank you very much.